Hey everyone, as you can see, my bookshelf is a total mess right now. I've been unable to clean it up. So today I decided to finally clean this up and show you all how I do it. So yeah, let's get started. Very first of all, I'll just keep the books aside so that I can clean the base of the shelf. Trust me when I say it's been ages since I last cleaned it up, and you can see the dust. Oh, it's really heavy. Books are really heavy sometimes, you see. Now, so here we go with the real work. I will take this glove, it's really nice, very convenient, and just clean the base of the shelf. This is the hardest step, I guess, but okay, that's important too. Next, I'll just clean up the books. Look at them, oh my lord. So Sidney Sheldon, yeah, one of my favorite books ever. So I'll just clean them up. Hey Sidney, what's up? Oops, sorry. There's my mom walking too. Hey mom. She didn't listen. And here comes Sherlock. He is dirty too. I'll just clean all the books up. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. So my mom always taught me to clean the classics very gently. I'm doing it, Jane Austen. Okay, so done with all. Now see the books all cleaned. Let's go. Let's start up the real work. So I'll just take all the large books and I'm descending order. So repeating this process, like going in an order. I don't know, people do keep their books in horizontal manner, but I really like the way horizontal and vertical comes together. You really need to look at your choices and then create a bookshelf of your own choice. So I do that. I've got all the books. I just put them in a good order. I've got books which I never read and I don't know if I'll do, but that just enhances my bookshelf, so who cares? So now you see my real hard work in arranging all the books. Got these, I got many of these tiny little books for a discount of ₹50. I just read one of them, or I try to read them when I can't sleep. But so now it's time for aesthetics that we are going to put. Well, first of all, I got this tiny little ukulele which I am going to put there. Oh, and trust me, a DIY plant holder always works. This was made by my mom. And then a current read should always be on top, so I'm keeping it here. And without a bookmark, a bookshelf is incomplete. And I got these prizes in some co-curricular activities, so I'm using them here. So these were really very normal stones which you can find on the road if you live in India or somewhere like that. So my mother just painted them and I am using them as a showpiece. So this really enhances the bookshelf as a whole, trust me. So here's a showtopper, this cute little mug. The surrounding of a bookshelf should also look nice, so plant always works for this. So this is kind of the final result. Yeah, a closer look, let's see it. So now you see the colors look so vibrant, but of course not eye blinding, but they really look nice. The transition of the color, it looks so good. I mean, I didn't expect this actually. Tell me you're jealous of me. Okay guys, so this is the final result. Bye bye, see you soon. Please do like and subscribe. Bye bye.